Bradford, you've got a driving test booked in Thornbury, and you want to pass your driving test. You're coming down this road, you're on your driving test, your driving examiner asks you to turn right at the end of the road. So you're following the road down, you're in gear 3, you're looking in your mirrors. While you're looking in your mirrors, you're gently braking, not to stop the car, but to adjust the speed so it meets the needs for the road that you're on. Mirrors, signal right, right mirror check, closer to the white line, clutch down, continuously braking, come to a stop on the line, into gear 1, not finding your biting point yet, looking for a safe gap to turn right with, looking left, looking right, looking left, looking right, clutch up, now gear 2, check your inside mirror, follow the road ahead, look at the person close to the crossing, into gear 3, looking in your rear view mirror, approaching a zebra crossing. Your examiner now asks you to follow the signs for Bradford, or your sat-nav tells you to take the left turn in 200 yards or so. So you're following the signs for Bradford, you look in your mirrors, you're in gear 3, you're looking in your mirrors again, you're looking in your mirrors again, because soon you'll be turning left following the signs for Bradford. You'll now look in your mirrors again, you'll go into a lower gear, gear 2 works, you'll follow the road ahead with your left signal on. Now these lights have gone green for the people on my right, making sure the dual carriageway is safe. I'm in gear 2, increasing my speed, inside mirror check, into gear 3. Gently increasing my speed, looking at the next crossing, into gear 4. I'm now doing 35 miles an hour, trying to avoid these little bumps in the road, looking in my mirrors, gently increasing my speed. I'm doing 35 miles an hour and I'll go up into gear 5. Looking in my rear view mirror, everything's safe. I can see the traffic lights on green on approach, potentially going to red. As I'm approaching, taxi driver has slowed down. Looking in my rear view mirror, going from 5 into 3, potentially stopping at the first or second lights, depending on if they change colour or not. Inside mirror check, following the road round. You'll now be going back to the test centre, which is more than likely where the lights have just gone amber, so it would be into this left filter. So you do your mirrors and signal, clutch down and stop at the red traffic lights. Hope that helps, guys. Thank you for watching.